Hey, this is Adam Paul Green. I was stumbling around on the internet looking for healthy chocolate. Look what I found. Xoçai healthy chocolate. Interesting story here regarding Jeanette Brooks. Mrs. Brooks is quite an entrepreneur, loves chocolate, has developed many great product lines. She looks really happy there, doesn't she? Look at all that great chocolate. I can see it. I think I can see it. Anyway, so this is a great story about an entrepreneur that's done well, been well educated, worked hard in traditional business, transitioned to network marketing, and now is just enjoying the benefits of helping people get healthy and wealthy. I thought it was pretty interesting. What are your thoughts?